Yabona ke iyodwa ke into engiyenzayo. Le email address owayifaka ngesikhathi ubhukhela i-human design chart reading. Ngithumela kuyona ke mina isummary yakho. Ungahlala uyibheke ngapha WhatsApp wena kanti singapha kuma emails zakho. Kuthatha 24 to 48 hours ukuthi ngithumele. So uma uthi siwafaka i-email address engasasebenzi ke shoot sorry ke ngoba ngiyithumela khona lapha ya. Uyayibona indaba? Ya, sengisho lokho. Nakho ukunyeka. Kunabantu laba abala emashadi nabo abane defined G center lela center. Center ye direction, identity and self love. Yabo. Labo bantu labo banakho ukuthi mhlawumbe bedineke ukuthi abantu bayabakopela. Ungani umuntu ngani abantu bengikopele ngani abantu bethanda ukuzobuza kimi ukuthi benze njani yabo hayi ngakudini lokho akungakudini nje ayisho nje une defined G center wena kwi chart lakho une strong sense of self, you know who you are, you know what aligns with you, you have a strong sense of direction and unendlela owenza ngayo wena izinto ewuwe. So kunabantu abane open G center abafana nathi abangazi ukuthi babhekiphi babuye bebe lost nje bebe ne sense of being lost yayizwa lonto bebuye bebe nenkinga ukuthi into abazi ukuthi bayithanda noma bayithandi babuye bebuze nje ungazi ukuthi umuntu engabatshela ukuthi abenzeni kanjani yabo is like ngathi unganginika iadvice nje ukuthi how to do things or what to do many efana nalezi. So ke nina ke nine defined G center ningakhali kakhulu ukuthi hawu sengangikopela njalo wangibona ngithenga ukuthi nawe sekuthengile wangibona ngigqoka ukuthi nawe siyagqoka hayi ngakukhathazi lokho angithi yena uopen wena udefined i-direction uyithatha kuwena yena uzibona yena kuwena azayitshela ukuthi yena uwena uyamdefine wena ngoba akekho defined echartini lakhe. So ayikho inkinga lento angazi ukuthi ngayifanisa nani njoba wena umdefiner uopen yena lento iyazenzakalela yena open wena ekuphileni kwakho is like you have a strong sense of direction nokuthi how to do things, your strong sense of ukuthi you love this or you don't love this, you like this or you know your likes and dislikes and all of those things, you know your identity with who you are yabo and you don't change, it is fixed. But yena